Hey guys, just want to give you guys a quick update. I have the AC unit finally installed and we'll go in and take a look at it here just a second. So here it is, running at a cool 75 degrees. Keeps this place really nice and cool. The servers are awesome. They are running so quiet right now, considering there's still servers, but yeah, looks pretty good in here. Temperatures, yeah, 69 degrees, 71 degrees. So awesome. I'm so happy. I finally got this installed. It took me forever and I got it, but now it's all good. So more updates to come. I will post some new videos here shortly. I have a new project coming up that I want to work on. It's going to be well, I don't want to tell you quite yet, but let's just say it's going to be awesome. So stay tuned. Bye.